Good afternoon everyone po. Welcome to Kusina ni Mayo. Today we are going to make custard cake. Here we have the ingredients for custard are the flan, fresh eggs, one evap milk, one condensed milk, the vanilla, and this one, the 3/4 cup sugar for caramelization. Okay, and this one for our chiffon cake plus the leche flan, then we can have our custard cake. Okay, so here we have 4 fresh eggs again, and then we have here the 1 1/2 cup of cake flour. We have here 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of white sugar. We have there the salt, and then 1/4 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of water. There you go, and then that one for our meringue later on. Okay, so we're going to start now. First, we have here our baking pan. This is a 12 inches baking pan. We are going to caramelize the sugar. Yes, so we're going to spread here. Ang ginagawa ko kasi, dinidirect ko na, hindi ko na niluluto sa pan. So, didirect ko na with the baking pan. Ayan, direct ko na dun sa stove para mas mabilis. Okay, then we are going to turn on the fire. Like this. Then, we're going just to put this one here. Direct na po. This is 3/4 cup of sugar po. White sugar. We are just using slow fire here. Ayan po. So, nagka-caramelize na po yung sugar natin.
Hindi, parang malisunod naman.
Labayo kami na. Okay na po ito. We are just going to set it aside. Palamigin po natin. We're going to make the custard. Okay, yung flan po natin. So first, I'm going to open this one. To those yung mga bata po na nanonood, guys, mga anak, comfortable using knife, kaya knife yung ginagamit ko. Okay? But it should be can opener actually. Mas mabilis kasi ako dito. Mas comfortable ako dito. Shout out kay Shimwell sa Baguio. Anak, ito ang ginagamit ko knife ha. I'm more comfortable using this knife. Kasi sinadjust daw niya sa mama niya na magpapadala sila sa akin, mag-order sila sa Shopee or Lazada ng can opener. Ayun, thank you Shimwell for the concern. Pero mas comfortable akong gamitin yung knife. Shout out again sa Baguio, mga friends ko. Going to crack 7 eggs for the egg yolk. So egg yolk lang po. Na 7. Teaspoon of vanilla. Do you want here? Kunti lang. And then 1 can of evap milk here. So, then 1 can of condensed milk. Ako naman talaga yun. And we're going to strain it para smooth po yung ating flan. Ayan po. Ayan po, meron pa siyang dapat maalis. Ayan. Going to set aside po yung ating flan. Po natin ang ating pang chiffon cake. We have here the 1 1/2 cup of cake flour. We're going to sift it para maalis po yung mga lumps niya. And then a tablespoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Ayan po. We're going to make a hole dito po sa center ng ating flour mixture. Then we're going to put in all the liquid ingredients. We have there 1/4 cup of oil. Any brand of oil is okay. We have here also 1/2 cup of water. There you go. And then 1/4 cup of Ayan po. Of sugar. Ayan. And then, again, a teaspoon of vanilla. There you go. We're going to mix it. Mix it, and then we're going to add the 4 egg yolks. And then, we're going to put here the egg white. Ayan po, baliktad. Ayan. Kailangan yung pang egg white natin, dapat malinis. Okay, walang bahid ng walang flour. Mas lalong walang oil dapat. Dapat napakalinis. So, it's better to use stainless steel for our egg whites. As I have said a while back, gamitin po yung flat surface para po hindi didikit yung egg yolk. I'm going to use this one kasi para makatch ko. Ayan, so we need 4 egg yolk here. Ayan. Hindi, huwag kami. Sige. Sige, okay, plak. We're going to mix it well. Mix po natin na mabuti. And we're going to see to it that there will be no lumps. That our mixture, our batter mixture will be soft and smooth. Okay na. Na po siya. Ayun. Diyan. Okay na po siya. So, we're going to set this one aside. Before we're going to beat our egg white, i-prepare na po natin. We're going to use our wok. Yung palayok po namin na malaki ang gagamitin ko. I do have my oven, but then kasi pandemic po, so I think most of us do not have oven, so I'm going to use the wok. Especially this one, I'm doing this for my students because most of them do not have oven, so yung palayok po ang ating gagamitin. So we're going to steam the cake, the custard cake. So I'm going to set this one aside. And so we are going to turn on the stove there. And then ito po yung gagamitin natin for steaming. Ayan po, tripod yan. Then we're just going to put in later on the pan here, the baking pan. Okay, so we're going to cover it. Let's wait po na magbo-boil po. Kanina yung niluto natin dun sa, dinirect natin sa stove na caramelize na sugar. So matigas na po siya. So you look at this, matigas na siya. So we're going to put in our mixture, our flan mixture. Ilagay na po natin siya dito. Okay? Ayan. So by the way, this is a 12 inches baking pan. Ito po can make 3 llaneras of leche flan already. So ganyan. Sayang yung nandun. Lagyan natin lahat. Lagyan lang konti sa gilid. We're going to beat the egg whites. We're going to add a pinch of cream of tartar. COT. Cream of tartar. Pinch lang po. Ayan po. We're going to add the sugar gradually po. 1/2 cup of sugar. Kita mo ito po guys. Be sure po na hindi natin i-overmix ang ating meringue. Ayan po. Okay. So, we are going to cut and fold po. Ayan. Okay, so, we are doing the cut and fold. We're going to mix it. Mix ko na mabuti. Na po na mabuti yung ating meringue and then butter mixture. So, we're going to put it on top of our custard mixture na po. So, here we go. Lagay po natin. Huwag po na tayong matakot kasi hindi po magmi-mix ito. Okay? Just put it here. Parang nag-bisad din ha. Yan po. Then we're going to steam it for around 45 to 60 minutes. 45 to 60 minutes, that's the normal steaming time or cooking time for leche flans. Then we're going to wrap it. Babalutin po natin siya ng foil para yung steam po ng water hindi po mapupunta dito. So, mabuti para hindi po papasukin ng tubig. The water is already boiling. So, direct na po natin. Lalagay na po natin doon. Okay, so yan po. How we're going to put it. Oh my God. So, we're going, that's it po. So, we're going to cover it. Ayan. For, let's say, 1 hour pa. Okay po. For 1 hour. 3:35. So, maluluto po siya ng 4:35. I-check po natin kung paano. This is the cake. We're going to use the cake tester to test. Ayan, so it's done. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po 60 minutes po, it's 50 minutes. Okay? Ayan po. Ito na naubos na yung water niya dun for steaming. So, that's the time. So, it's 50 minutes po. So, nandito na po sa table natin. Let's open it. Tan, 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 tan. There you go. This is perfect. This is a 12 inches custard cake. We're going to turn it upside down po later. Okay? So, doesn't mean na kapag wala tayong oven, we cannot bake cake. But then, no, it's a no-no. It's just that, mas kailangan po natin yung ating hand mixer. Okay? That's, medyo, it's a bit cheap naman. Okay lang po kasi napaka-importante po na okay po yung ating egg, yung ating meringue po in making cake. So, we can use actually the rice cooker, the steamer, yung palayok, para makaproduce po tayo ng cake. It's a no-oven cake. Okay? So, later on, we're going to just cool it down a bit, maybe 10 minutes. Let's wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, we're going to turn it upside down later po. We're going to use this spatula to be sure na wala pong dumikit sa edges. Upside down to check if it's okay. Yeah.
Wow.
Let's check it out. Oh my God. Oh my God! That's our custard cake po. I think it's perfect. Custard cake. I'm so happy. It is my first time to make it and it's quite, it's successful. Yan po. Here you go. This is our custard cake. My God.